What is going on, everybody? Tech enthusiast here, and this is a three-way Antutu benchmark comparison between the Redmi K20 Pro, the iPhone 11 Pro, and the Asus Rog Phone 2. The Redmi K20 Pro has the Snapdragon 855 CPU and 8GB of RAM. The iPhone 11 Pro has the A13 Bionic and 4GB of RAM, and the Asus Rog Phone 2 has the Snapdragon 855 Plus CPU and 8GB of RAM, as it is the Tencent model. The Redmi K20 Pro is the cheapest of the bunch, followed by the Asus Rog Phone 2 and then the iPhone 11 Pro. This test is on Antutu Benchmark version 7. Now with that being said, let's get started. So the iPhone 11 Pro finished first, and overall it scored the highest with over 461,000 points, followed by the Asus Rog Phone 2 in second place by scoring over 405,000 points. And lastly, we have the Redmi K20 Pro in third place with over 379,000 points. As for the breakdown of the categories, the iPhone 11 Pro scored the highest for the CPU and the GPU, followed by the Rog Phone 2 and then the Redmi K20 Pro. For the UX, the Rog Phone 2 scored the highest, followed by the Redmi K20 Pro and then the iPhone 11 Pro. And lastly, for the memory, the Redmi K20 Pro scored the highest, then the Rog Phone 2, and in last place was the iPhone 11 Pro. So that wraps up for this Antutu benchmark comparison, and overall the iPhone 11 Pro was the winner. Now the price, well, it costs just over £1,000. Now for that price you can obviously pick up the iPhone 11 Pro, or instead you can buy the Rog Phone 2 and the Redmi K20 Pro and have some money left over. So it really depends if you want that superior camera on the iPhone 11 Pro and you want that so-called ecosystem. Personally, I would pick up the Asus Rog Phone 2 or the Redmi K20 Pro, as they are fantastic devices and I will have a lot of money left over. Now if you have enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If it is your first time here, then please do consider subscribing, as I have more videos coming up. So make sure you hit that bell icon so you get notified as soon as I release my videos. Please do follow me on Twitter and Instagram, and like always, thanks for watching, and I will catch up with you in the next video.